Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. In today's video we'll go over the amazing benefit of placing a clove of garlic inside your toilet overnight. We've already reviewed some of the brilliant benefits of garlic in another video on our channel, and today we will go over another use for this plant that you probably don't know yet. Have you ever heard about the trick of placing garlic in your toilet bowl? Today in our restless lives, it is difficult to take time to clean and organize our homes. Some chores are easy to do throughout the day, however dealing with the bathroom isn't always simple. Did you know that the restroom is one of the places that aggregates the most fungus and bacteria? To clean it, most end up utilizing very strong synthetics that, even though they effectively clean the bathroom, can be harmful to health when breathing them for periods of time. To clean in a more characteristic and natural manner, we'll present a trick that can help you keep your bathroom clean utilizing garlic. Here's how. Prior to sleep, peel a garlic clove and put it inside your toilet. Leave it there throughout the night, and the next morning, flush it. The garlic helps by providing your toilet with antimicrobial and antifungal forces. It gets rid of bacteria in a natural way, eliminates the yellow limescale formations and keeps the mildew spots away. Perform this procedure at least twice a week, and always at night since it is when the bathroom isn't used. Another good option to disinfect the toilet more quickly is to utilize garlic-infused tea instead of a clove. Here's how to make it. Boil 1 cup of water in a pan. When it boils, cut 3 garlic cloves in small pieces and put it in the water. Immediately turn off the heat, put a lid on the pan and let it sit for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes is up, proceed to pour the tea in your toilet. Just like the first tip, it is better if you do it just before going to bed, when the bathroom is used less, to avoid the garlic being flushed before it maximizes its time spent. These 2 tricks are the fastest way of disinfecting and keeping your toilet disinfected for weeks. Amazing, isn't it? Try these methods out and share your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. Check out the description for our recommended products for overall health. Please like the video if you found it informative. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.